If making a slip knot feels confusing, don't worry. That's the same feeling we all get when beginning to crochet. In this video, I'll slow it down and show you exactly which yarn to pull so that your knot slides smoothly. Follow along with me. Hi and welcome to my channel. When working the slip knot, I'll be referring to the tail yarn and also the working yarn. I will start by wrapping the yarn around my pinky finger to control the tension, then take it around my index finger. Go ahead and hold the tail yarn between your thumb and middle finger. With the hook pointing away from you, turn the hook and the yarn clockwise to form a loop. Hold the loop securely with your thumb and middle finger, then yarn over and with the hook facing down, pull through the loop. So what you're seeing is the slip knot. Go ahead and adjust by pulling the working yarn strand. I prefer to lay the slip knot on the hook shaft so that it has enough room for the first stitch. So that's the end of our first option. In our second option, we shall make the slip knot using our hands and yarn. We don't need a hook for this. Fold the yarn so that you have the tail yarn and working yarn facing you. Cross the tail yarn over the working yarn to form a loop. Using two fingers, pull the working yarn through to form a loop. Take your time. Now we have a slip knot. Adjust to any size by pulling the working yarn. Please be careful not to pull the tail yarn because this will lock the knot. Please let me know in the comment section so that I make a separate video for that. This is our third and last option. Wrap the yarn around the pinky finger to control the tension, then around the index finger. Hold the tail yarn between the thumb and middle finger. Hold the yarn and turn counterclockwise to form a loop and hold it securely. Get your hook and put it through the loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. Slide the loop to the hook shaft and adjust by pulling the working yarn. This is our slip knot. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel because I have more beginner-friendly videos coming. Also, don't forget to like and leave a comment. Thank you.